In today's video, I'm going to teach you create milestones in Smartsheet. We'll walk through how to set up your sheet so you can properly track milestones using start dates, end dates, and a duration column. By the end, your project timeline will be ready for more advanced features like Gantt charts and milestone indicators. First, make sure you're in the Smartsheet grid view of the project where you want to create milestones. The very first thing you need is a start date column. If you already have one, quickly scan a few rows and confirm that the values are actually dates, not text. Dates should look like real calendar dates that Smartsheet recognizes, not words like today or next week. If you don't see a start date column yet, you'll want to add one as a date type column. Then enter or paste in the appropriate start dates for your tasks or milestones. Next, you also need an end date column. Just like with the start date, check that this column is present and formatted as a date column. The end dates should line up with the same rows as your start dates, representing the period your tasks are running. Having both a start date and an end date is important because Smartsheet uses these to calculate duration and visualize your schedule over time. If you're setting up milestones, those will typically have the same start and end date, but you still need both fields available. Once both date columns are in place, you're ready to create a duration column. Move your mouse to the right side of your existing columns in the sheet header area. You'll see a small plus icon that allows you to add a new column. Click on that plus symbol to start adding the duration column. When the column type options appear, look for the option labeled duration. This tells Smartsheet that the values in this column will represent spans of time, like days or hours, and that they're connected to your start and end dates. Click on duration to select it as the column type. Finally, give the column a clear name, such as duration. Rename the column to duration in the name field, then click Apply to confirm. Smartsheet now understands that this column will calculate and display how long each task or milestone lasts. With start date, end date, and duration all set up, your sheet is ready to support milestones and more advanced project tracking.